go ahead and stand up nice and tall and try to look at yourself in a mirror. Look at this region of your body. What do you notice? Is one shoulder higher slightly? Really look. Or is the other shoulder higher slightly? Doesn't matter, don't judge yourself, but go ahead and try to fix it. Oftentimes we wear purses on one side, or we favor one side more than the other, especially if you're dominant in one arm than the other. Your whole body is connected and it starts to shift to meet your needs. So every now and then you need to make sure that your shoulders are nice and neutral and relaxed. Because if one shoulder is higher than the other, it's usually because it holds a little bit more tension, or the other shoulder could be lower, holding tension in a different area. So the whole concept though is that focusing on your neck, they need to be equal so that you're not pulling your neck one direction more than the other. Otherwise your vertebrae will go to one side and pinch a little bit more, and you don't want that. You want that nice alignment. Just how important that it is to pull your neck back or forward for those ears over shoulders is just as important to be either this way or this way based on the neck pulling of the shoulders.